Four women who say they were sexually assaulted in different cases. The Salt Lake District Attorney's Office decided not to file charges in their cases, but under a new law, they're getting a second look into their stories. ABC4's Rosie Nguyen joining us in the studio with the story tonight. Rosie.
Well, Emily, they could find out in as soon as a month, and this is all thanks to a new law passed in this year's legislative session. It allows victims who've had their sexual assault cases declined by local prosecutors to petition for a second look from the Utah Attorney General's office. And that's what happened in these cases, and it could mean justice for these women. Krista Medill is one of the women who say they were sexually assaulted and had their cases declined for prosecution by the Salt Lake County District Attorney's Office. She told ABC4 News last October that her healing process has been difficult ever since.
The justice system turning me down was a whole new trauma in itself.
District Attorney Sim Gill previously told ABC4 News a declination to prosecute doesn't necessarily mean an assault did not occur.
Over 23 years as a prosecutor, I can tell you I've met with victims where I know that a crime has happened, that they were victimized, but we may not have the sufficiency of the evidence to be able to carry our burden.
Thanks to new legislation passed by lawmakers this session, these four women petitioned to the Utah Attorney General's office for a second look at their case. Attorney Paul Cassell, who now represents them, says this is a game changer.
This is precedent-setting legislation where now there's an ability of a crime victim in a serious case to get a review of her case. It's possible the prosecutors can make a mistake, and the Attorney General's office should have a chance to take a look at the case and see if it warrants prosecution.
But the process has taken longer than expected for the Utah AG's office because of the amount of information gathering required.
These all deserve to be reviewed. And we are. But as we've reviewed them, they're difficult cases. I can see why a reasonable prosecutor may have decided that to decline a case because they do present some challenges.
Barlow says they'll be screening two of the cases next week with an independent group of prosecutors and investigators. That means the victims in these cases could find out whether their case makes it to court in the next few weeks. Glenn, back to you.